Hyundai. rasanya kurang ini.
Lihat rasanya.
Tapi saya sih pengennya parit belum ya.
Rame bro. Rekrut.
Ya.
Jarang-jarang
Sambut.
Lulusan na.
Orifice plate and seal ring while the meter is in service. The upper chamber can be isolated from the lower chamber by means of a hard seat slide valve assembly. The hard seat slide valve provides a dynamic seal that allows the upper chamber to be blown down to a safe pressure, then opened up to allow access to the orifice plate. To begin, using the standard operating wrench supplied with every fitting, slowly open the equalizer valve one full turn. Wait several seconds while the pressure in the top chamber equalizes with the pressure in the bottom chamber. Now rotate the slide valve shaft to the open position until it stops, and the open position specified on the indicator plate is in line with the indicator pointer. Next, rotate the lower plate carrier shaft so that it transfers the plate carrier from the bottom chamber into the top chamber. Continue to rotate the lower shaft until the plate carrier is no longer engaged with the shaft. Move the operating wrench from the lower shaft to the upper shaft. Now rotate the upper shaft until you feel the plate carrier contact the sealing bar, and it will go no further. Close the equalizer valve. Now rotate the slide valve shaft to the closed position until it stops, and the closed position specified on the indicator plate is in line with the indicator pointer. Open the bleeder valve, allowing the gas contained in the top section to evacuate to a safe location. The upper chamber is now at atmospheric pressure. Remove the stem from the grease gun with the operating wrench and insert a Daniel lubricant stick into the grease gun. Return the stem into the grease gun and turn the supplied operating wrench clockwise by hand until resistance is felt. Once this is done, use the wrench to continue slowly turning the stem clockwise at a rate of 4 to 6 turns per minute. You've now isolated the top section of the meter from the bottom section. Gas is freely flowing through the meter, but is not being measured. Loosen each clamping bar screw located on the clamping bar, approximately 2 turns. Slide the clamping bar, sealing bar, and sealing bar gasket out of the meter top. Remove the plate carrier from the top of the fitting. Then, remove the orifice plate from the seal ring. Clean the orifice plate and perform a recommended orifice plate inspection to ensure the orifice plate is in the proper operating condition. Ensure the data stamped on the orifice plate matches the data entered in the flow computer. Reinsert the orifice plate into the seal ring and into the plate carrier, ensuring the beveled edge, if the plate has one, is facing the downstream direction towards the gear shafts. Rotate the upper shaft a minimum of 1/4 turn, opposite the direction required to lower the orifice plate carrier into the top. This action allows the orifice plate carrier to properly align with the shaft gears. Visually check the alignment of the plate carrier to the fitting. Now, rotate the upper shaft down until you feel the plate carrier lightly contact the top of the slide valve. Replace the sealing bar gasket, sealing bar, and clamping bar. From this point on, the previous actions are performed in reverse to complete the installation. Tighten the clamping bar screws. Close the bleeder valve. Open the equalizer valve. Once pressure is equalized, open the slide valve all the way. Lower the plate carrier down. You'll feel a release from the top shaft as it makes contact with the lower shaft. Continue lowering the plate carrier until it's firmly seated on the lower alignment pin. Close the slide valve, isolating the bottom chamber from the top chamber. Close the equalizer valve. Open the bleeder valve. Insert a Daniel lubricant stick into the grease gun, return the stem into the grease gun, and turn clockwise by hand until resistance is felt. Finally, close the bleeder valve to complete the process. The top is now depressurized. The fitting is now ready for service. This concludes our Daniel Senior dual chamber orifice fitting tutorial. Thank you for watching.